Hello, this is our Rube Goldberg machine. It all starts off over here with our model airplane. Using our remote control for it, we would activate the plane, causing its propeller to turn, like so. This would propel the airplane forward, causing its lever arm to rotate, and because its lever arm is attached to the large gear down here with that dowel, and they're concentric, it would rotate in unison. Our large gear is then interlocked with the smaller gear over here, so we can gain a mechanical advantage from their differing radii. And the large gear is also placed on some wheels in order to help it rotate. Now the small gear has a string wrapped around it that then feeds into our pulley system. The pulley system is also designed so we can gain a mechanical advantage from it. All these systems are designed this way for the purpose of taking the initial propulsion from our model airplane and increasing it to the point where it can quickly and efficiently pull the string enough in order to pull the pin from our bottle rocket over here that's securing it in place. Then to launch the rocket, we would simply fill it halfway up with water and start pressurizing it with the bicycle pump, like so. Then once it reached the correct pressure, we would activate the machine, causing the string to be pulled and therefore the pin, which would cause the rocket to be launched off the ramp right there. And that's our Rube Goldberg machine. Unfortunately, as a whole, our machine did not work. Though some sections of it were effective and did what we wanted them to do, others just didn't. And so we weren't able to have a fully functioning machine, as a Rube Goldberg machine needs each part in it to be effective. So I'm just going to give a quick demonstration of each part of the machine to show that some of them do work and others just kind of don't. And so we start off with the model airplane. As you can see, the propeller is not spinning on the airplane because, well, it broke during testing. From there, moving on to the gears, you can see that though they did mesh somewhat well, it would not be enough for our machine to work the way we wanted it to. The pulley system did work the way it was designed, which was nice, just the sections around it weren't quite as effective as it, such as the rocket, which did not work the way we planned it to. The issue with the rocket was that though we were able to get a good idea of how we should launch it through analysis, in practice it didn't quite work out as nicely. And so when we tried to pressurize the rocket and pull the pin, it just didn't work after multiple tests. So eventually we just decided to kind of forego the pin and just pump the rocket until it launched in order to show that the rocket could actually launch effectively.
Okay.
I wasn't quite prepared for the rocket to go off when it did, so I wasn't able to get a great shot of it leaving the ramp. But you could see from the video that it was able to launch effectively, giving us a nice proof of concept for the idea at least. And so here's the aftermath. Okay, so it started here, went this way as it was tilting on the stand, went up here. You can kind of see up there. There's some more spray left. It also got me and Gabe both right in the face, and then it just kind of fell down over here. Basically, our original idea was pretty overambitious, and we weren't able to execute it as effectively as we wanted to, but we still were able to prove that some of our ideas were sound and their analysis was thorough. So it was still a good learning experience. Thank you.